What if one of the biggest risks to your business isn't making the wrong decision? It's making no decision at all. Many business owners believe that if everything feels comfortable, they're doing something right. Revenue is steady. Operations are running smoothly. The team knows exactly what to do. On the surface, that's a good place to be. But beneath that stability, something dangerous can happen. Comfort can quietly become complacency. While you're maintaining the status quo, your competitors are investing, they're adopting new technology, they're hiring talent, they're expanding into new markets, they're positioning themselves for tomorrow while you're protecting yesterday. The companies that consistently outperform their competition aren't reckless, they're intentional. They understand that growth requires action before certainty. One of the biggest mistakes I see as someone who works with business owners seeking financing is waiting too long to explore funding options. Many entrepreneurs don't start looking for capital until they're under pressure. Maybe cash flow has tightened. Maybe an opportunity suddenly appears that they aren't prepared to pursue, or maybe they need equipment, inventory, or working capital immediately. At that point, financing becomes a reaction to a problem instead of a strategy for growth. The strongest businesses operate differently. They secure access to capital while their business is healthy, not because they desperately need funding today, but because they know where they want to be tomorrow. Growth capital should be proactive, not reactive. Whether you're purchasing equipment, hiring employees, opening another location, acquiring a competitor, or simply strengthening working capital, having capital available before you need it creates options. And in business, options create leverage. So how do you know if your business may be playing it too safe? Here are a few warning signs. You've been delaying expansion because you're waiting for the perfect time. You've passed on opportunities because funding wasn't already in place. You're relying on past success instead of preparing for future growth. Or your competitors are investing while you're standing still. If any of those sound familiar, it may be time to rethink your strategy. Now, this doesn't mean taking unnecessary risks. The goal isn't reckless growth. The goal is intentional growth. Successful companies don't borrow simply because money is available. They use capital strategically to accelerate a business that's already built on strong operations, sound financial management, and a clear vision. At Cube Capital Group, we believe funding is much more than a financial transaction. It's a strategic business tool. When deployed at the right time, capital can increase capacity, improve efficiency, strengthen cash flow, and position your company to capitalize on opportunities before your competitors do. Here's the question every business owner should ask. Will you seek capital from a position of strength or from a position of urgency? Because the businesses that consistently win are rarely the ones that waited until they had no choice. They're the ones that prepared before opportunity knocked. If you found this video valuable, subscribe for more insights on business growth, leadership, and strategic funding. And leave a comment below. Is your business preparing for its next opportunity or waiting until growth forces the conversation? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.